morning everyone, this is Asta Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops, and I cannot tell you how excited I am for this song. This is amongst my favorite and my very dear Meenu. I love you, dear. She she sent me this on Insta, and she's like, Dee, I think we should do this song. I'm like, yeah, for sure. And just 15 minutes into this song, and I was like, God, I have to do it just now. I quickly did a cover, and then I was like, I'll also do the quick tutorial. So yeah, these are the chords we have here. This is the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is also easy. This is a song that even a beginner can do. Okay, I know the strumming pattern is different, but I think you can try Island if you don't want this strumming pattern, but the strumming pattern is also easy. So okay, so let's quickly start with the chords. I'm using a capo on the 3rd fret. However, if you're a male, I think you can do it absolutely without a capo. And for girls also, just choose your range, guys. It will be amazing. So chords pe aate hain. We are just using the basic chords here. The first one that we have here is, I think we have C. Yeah, C, which is the first string of your 3rd fret. Because these frets are gone, so we're going to start counting here. 1, 2, 3. 3rd fret, 1st string. Then comes the next chord, which is A minor. Again, a 1-finger chord. Use your middle finger, go on the 4th string of your 2nd fret. A minor. Then we have F. Don't lose your A minor. Keep it intact. Just take your index finger, put it on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. F. And then we have D minor. Don't lose your F. Just take your ring finger, put it right behind your middle finger, which is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This becomes D minor. Okay, so these are the only chords we're using here. Okay, everyone, let's start with the strumming pattern. It's quite easy. I'm going to use C first, do it for you, and then I'm going to break it for you, okay? Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the pattern basically is down, down, and then up, up, and then down, up, down, up. So you will break it into 3 parts. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to do it way more slower because the song is slow. So हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे. आँखों में तस्वीर है जैसे. ठीक है? So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Alright. Now, if you do not get this strumming pattern, it's okay. Do not panic. Use something that you already know, maybe an island, maybe normal down strums. But best thing is that you try and do this. Try and explore. Try to motivate yourself. Try to push yourself. Try to push yourself to something new. Okay? That's how we grow. So let's start with this tutorial quickly now.
1, 2, 3.
Not the way that I played it in the cover. C say. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Okay. आँखों में full pattern on C, then F. तस्वीर है जैसे, then D minor. तू मेरी, then C. तकदीर है जैसे, F. And then we repeat the progression. Okay, let's do this part together. आँखों में तस्वीर है जैसे, तू मेरी तकदीर है जैसे, इस दिल से उस दिल तक आती धड़कन की जंजीर है जैसे. Okay, let us do the next part. We're going to start from C itself. Okay, first I'm going to do with single down strums, and then we're going to do it with the strumming pattern. Now the strumming pattern, अगर आप down down up up down up बजा रहे हैं तो divide होगा. ठीक है? अगर आप island बजा रहे हैं तो इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Because island is a small strumming pattern. Okay, whereas this one is a longer one. So ख्वाबों ख्वाबों, change to A minor. तू मिले. F. न जाने क्या है. C. सिलसिले. Write all these things, okay? Now we'll do it with the strumming pattern. ख्वाबों ख्वाबों तू मिले. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. ठीक है? So tra na 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 na. So बहुत ही ऑर्गेनिक स्विच है, ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्लेइंग इट यू विल कम टू नो इट. अगर आपको डिवाइड ही करना है, बेस्ट इज दैट you do down on one chord and then the rest of it on the other chord, though I personally don't like dividing like this, okay, but still, okay, right, let's start. ख्वाबों ख्वाबों तू मिले, न जाने क्या है सिलसिले, पलकों पर ये प्यार के न जाने कितने गुल खिले, तेरे ख्वाब सजाते रहना अब है मेरा काम. तो इसको हम बजाएंगे, तेरे ख्वाब सजाते रहना अब है मेरा काम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम. सो C A minor C, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम. एंड देन नेक्स्ट में हम लोग चले जाएंगे F, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम. एंड देन F, तू मेरे दिन में, C, रातों में, अगेन स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न डिवाइड होगा लाइक दिस. तू मेरे दिन में, रातों में, खामोशी में, बातों में, बादल के हाथों में भेजू तुझको ये पैगाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम. मेरी सांसों में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम. So while editing, I realized I forgot to do one part, which is hey ho. It's very easy. So we're going to start from C. Hey, A minor, ho, then F, ho, back to A minor, ho, and then last में C. Okay everyone, so finally we are done with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. This song itself is a legend. It is, trust me, and I thoroughly enjoyed playing it. I hope you guys do. Play it, enjoy it, and yeah, have fun, keep healthy you guys. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas. Love you all.